Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we will discuss about how to manage salesman commission in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. To manage the salesman commission, we need to set up or create salesman, need to fix what is the commission against each salesman and which department the salesman is working, what is the contact info, all such information we need to set up first. To set up the salesman commission, from the main menu, choose create salesman agent or broker option. This is the user interface for creating salesman agent broker. To view how many salesmen we have already created, by clicking this search button, we can see how many salesman agent broker we have already created, what is the name, contact number, at the moment, what is the commission percentage we have set, in which department they are working. All such information we can see by clicking this search button. Here we can see different commission percentage we have given to different salesmen based on the position they handle or the nature of the product they handle. To say for the junior level salesman, we can set salesman commission at a lower level. If the position of the salesman is in senior level or the nature of the product he is dealing is luxury or costly product or more margin product, we can set the margin or commission percentage accordingly. If you want to edit or modify the salesman commission, salesman contact information, anything, by clicking this edit button, we can modify salesman name, phone number, department, or commission percentage at any moment. At the time of making the or generating the sales invoice, what is the commission percentage we have set in the commission register? System will automatically calculate the commission percentage based on the register, what we have registered in the commission register. For example, initially we have offered 5% commission to a junior salesman, and we have promised him that after 6 months or after 1 year, based on your performance, we will increase your commission. So after 1 year, depend upon the performance of this salesman, we can increase or decrease the commission percentage. If you want to modify, click the cursor on a specific salesman, and by clicking this modify button, we can modify any of this information, and after making the modification, click on the save button to change or modify the salesman information. Then let us create a salesman. The salesman name I am giving is Raghav Menon. His phone number we can enter here. Suppose this is a phone number and he is working in outdoor sales. The commission percentage, initially we are giving 5% to him, and the department he is working outdoor. Once we have entered all the mandatory information, click on the create button. salesman created successfully. If you want to modify this, any of this content or information, click on this edit button. All the salesmen we have created, we can see in this list. If I want to modify the Raghav Menon's commission percentage or any information, phone number, anything, click the cursor or place the cursor on this specific salesman. And by clicking this modify button, we can make any changes. After making the change, to update the salesman register by saving, you can do that. So now what we have done is we have fixed salesman commission for newly created salesman Raghav Menon. Another feature that is available in Brainweaver's retail management system to handle commission is we can control or manage the commission on item level. It means depend upon the nature of product or business you are handling. Some product is having lesser margin and some product is having a high margin. Based on that, you can include or exclude some items from the commission criteria. This feature is very useful to say for electrical trading companies. Some items are having very less margin, but it is costly also. For example, the coil. Coil is having very less margin product. We can exclude such less margin product by clicking this setup button. Whatever items we have registered in the stock register, that will appear in this enable disable commission list. By default, whenever you create an item, system will automatically set this or include this item into the salesman commission. Here we can see in the left side, we can see a checkbox. Whatever items checkbox is checked, it means this item is already in the commission. If you want to exclude any of the item from the stock register from calculating the commission, salesman commission, we can uncheck this item. Whenever you click on the check box or whatever items you excluded or removed from calculating the salesman commission, that will be highlighted in a blue color. So it will be very easy for you to search which product is not having any salesman commission. In this way, you can decide which products you want to exclude from the salesman commission. After making the changes, by clicking the save button, you can apply these changes. If you click again this setup button, we can see whatever items we have already excluded from the salesman commission, that items we can see in the blue color. Later, if you want to include these items, we can also by enabling this checkbox, you can include that item. Whenever the time moment you click on this checkbox, system will automatically include this item in the salesman commission and the highlight blue color will be changed to normal. So whenever we make a sales invoice, if we selected this item in an invoice, system will not calculate any commission for the product we have selected with a commission in disabled item. So this feature is very useful, depend upon the nature of the company. The another special feature regarding the salesman commission is Brainweaver will allow you to keep single salesman as well as multiple salesmen in a single sales invoice. It means, suppose you are a garments trading company, you are dealing with kids wear, ladies wear, and men's wear product. In three departments, you have already employed three different salesmen. Suppose one of the customer visited your store and he has made a purchase of different products from different department. Obviously, there will be multiple salesmen in a single sales invoice. Brainweaver will allow you, either you can keep a single salesman bill level, otherwise we can choose item level salesman. Any of the one method system will allow you in a single bill. Either you can choose a single salesman for the whole bill, otherwise multiple salesmen against each item. So let us create a invoice. The working customer, I am selecting as the customer as working customer. Here the item I am selecting is 100 piece. 1000 rupees is the bill amount. Here, suppose there is only one item I am including in this sales bill. So if you want to keep bill level salesman, by clicking this salesman button, whatever salesman we have already created in the salesman register, that will be displayed here. Here we can see Raghav Menon. This is a recently created salesman. If you click on this, here we can see Raghav Menon is a salesman against this sales invoice. Suppose the customer is settling this bill amount by cash, and the amount customer has tendered to us is also 1000 rupees. Let us save this transaction. Here we can see the bill is already generated. If you want to take the print, you can take the printout. If you want to generate the PDF, you can generate PDF format of this bill. So in this sales invoice, bill level salesman we have used, and the salesman we have selected is Raghav Menon. Let us go to the salesman commission. Here we can see this is the item we have selected in the last sales bill. But the thing is, we have excluded the salesman commission for this item. Even if we have selected Raghav Menon, he has achieved zero salesman commission because we haven't enabled salesman commission for this item. Let us search few more items. all other items, men's jeans, all these items is having a commission. Let us make another sales invoice. I'm selecting the same elbow. This item is not having any salesman commission. The quantity I'm selling is 50. Then another product I'm selecting is men's jeans. This item is having salesman commission. One quantity I am selling. Here we can see row level salesman you can enable. If you click this salesman column against the product you have included in the sales bill, system will pop up all the salesman name. Here I am choosing Raghav Menon. So the moment you selected the salesman in that specific items, system will display the selected salesman's ID number. It means this product we have selected item level salesman. If any item level salesman you have selected and if you tried again bill level salesman button, system will not display or enable to choose bill level item salesman even if you try to click it, because you have already selected a salesman in the item level. If you want to remove any of the salesmen from a specific item again, by clicking this cancel button, system will remove the salesman from the item level. Again, if you click on this salesman button, system will display you the list of the salesmen to choose bill wise salesman. The meaning is if you have selected multiple salesmen in the item level, system will not allow you to choose or set bill level salesman. If there is no bill level or item level salesman is there, system will allow you to choose bill level. If bill level you have already selected, suppose I am choosing Shibin as bill level. If you try again here item level, system will not display because you have already selected bill level. Here you can also remove bill level salesman here by clicking this clear button. So bill level salesman is already removed from this bill. If you again try for item level, system will display. So either item level or bill level salesman you can select in Brainweaver's retail management system while generating sales invoice. Raghav Menon I have selected. Another product I am selecting is men's shirt auto 2 piece. Again, the salesman I am selecting is suppose Shibin. Shibin is the salesman. So in this single sales invoice, we have selected multiple salesmen. One is Raghav Menon, another one is Shibin. So let us save this. The total bill amount is 4,150. Customer has tendered as 4,500. Here balance 350 we have to return back to the customer because customer has tendered as 4,500. Let's save this sales invoice. Now let let us see the commission status of this salesman by clicking or selecting salesman commission option from the report menu. Here I am choosing the date range as in today's date. In today's date, I want to know how many salesmen are involved in the sales bills we have generated and what is the commission earned by different salesmen. By selecting the date range and by clicking this all button, system will display here. Here you can see Raghav Menon, his salesman ID is displayed here. Here you can see the bill number M230679. Here also you can see 230679. It means M stands for multiple, S stands for single. It means you can see the same bill number here also repeated. It means the same bill number is having multiple salesmen. Whenever the letter M precedes with a invoice number or bill number, it means that invoice is having multiple salesmen. So the commission is eligible for or eligible on the amount 2050. The commission percentage when we generated the sales invoice, it was 5 and the commission earned is 102.50 rupees. Raghav Menon has earned against the bill number 230679. In this same bill, there is one more salesman, Shibin. Shibin's commission eligible on the bill amount 1000 or product value 1600. The present commission percentage we have set is 10% and 10% on the item total 1600 is coming 160 rupees. So in this way, you can see the salesman commission during a specific period. In the end of a month, you can set or search who all are the salesmen during this period and what is the commission earned by all the salesmen during a specific period of time. So it will be very easy for you in the end of each month to generate this report and you can distribute the commission based on the commission register. Similarly, you can also generate report based on item level commission as well as bill level commission also. Yearly or monthly, you can generate salesman commission. For example, 1st January 2024 to 11th December 2024, I want to know how many commission earned by different salesmen based on the bill level. By entering the date range and clicking this monthly button, we can see these are the salesmen involved in the sales during the period 1st January 2024 to 11th December 2024. In the month of 8th month, August month, Prasad has achieved a commission of 81 rupees. Gogul has achieved a commission of 3400. In the October month, Prasad has earned 6 rupees, Shibin 25. So in this way also you can make a comparison of salesman commission. Month-wise salesman commission comparison you can do with the help of this bill level salesman commission during a specific period, month-wise. Similarly, yearly also you can make a comparison. In the end of a financial year, you can check or make an analysis which salesman has achieved more commission. To make a motivation, you can give a special gift to the top commission earned salesman to encourage the salespeople to improve their performance. There are various reports attached in this salesman commission details window. Again, in the MIS reports also, we have attached several salesman reports. Here you can see during the date 1st January 2024 to 11th December 2024. If you want to know who is the top commission earned salesman, rank wise, if you want to generate a report of top commission earned salesman rank wise by entering the date range and clicking this salesman commission rank, here you can see these are the salesmen involved in the sales during the period 1st January 2024 to 11th December 2024. Out of these salesmen, Gogul is the topper, or in the first rank, he has achieved a commission of 3,402 rupees. The second one is Prasad, he has achieved a commission of 87. Shibin has achieved 25 rupees. All these are based on the bill level commission. If you want to know multiple item level as well as bill level, who is the topper? By clicking this multi button, we can see here Diba has achieved 5 rupees, Google has achieved during this period 3,402. So each salesman, whether it is multiple sale or single sale, all such information as well as how much salesman commission individual salesman has achieved during a specific period of time, that will be displayed in this salesman commission report during a specific period of time. So this report is very useful for making a comparison of which salesman is the good performer and which salesman is not performing good. That we can analyze with the help of this report. By this commission list, we can very easily identify which salesman is interacting more with the customers. That you can judge by seeing this report. If you click on this line wise, you can see this is the item level. In the previous one, the first report was bill level. The second one was bill as well as item level commission, the consolidated salesman commission report. Out of this consolidation, if you want to know only item level, that you can generate the report by clicking this line wise. So in this way, We can very efficiently manage salesman commission in Brainweaver's retail management system. At any moment, you can increase or decrease the commission percentage, as well as you can include or exclude items from the commission criteria. So in the next session, we will discuss about other marketing tools. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video.